Hi everyone, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design. Today I'm so excited because I'm finally taking time to create my own headband, and I love headbands. So these stretchy headbands we're going to sew together, and then we're going to use spray tie-dye to decorate them. Thank you for joining me, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what you need to create your own headbands is the right type of fabric, and then however you want to decorate it. And like I mentioned, I'm using spray tie-dye, and this is by SEI Neons. And I've chose these colors because it's almost autumn and it's still the end of summer though, so the sunny colors, the yellows, the oranges and reds will go perfectly from summer into autumn. So I'm looking forward to using them. And the type of fabric that you want to get is a cotton spandex fabric. So the cotton will help absorb the tie-dye, and the spandex allows your headband to stretch around your head. So I've gone ahead and already cut some fabric, and then I'll just need to cut it into the correct length, which I'm using the headband from Natural Life, which I love their headbands. And it's about a 9-inch to 10-inch height, and then about 10.5 inches wide. So I'll just cut it and allow a little bit of room for a seam, and then we will sew it and take it outside to tie-dye it. All right. So now that we've sewn them, you just turn them inside out, and we are ready to tie-dye. Okay, so I've decided to stay inside instead, and I just covered my work surface with some scrap paper, and I reread the instructions for the dye. So you can do two different techniques. One is on dry cloth and the other one is on wet cloth. So I'm going to try the dry cloth first. And since I haven't used this before, I'm just going to do a color swatch test just to see what the colors look like. Although I already know I want to do the yellow, orange, and red, maybe I'll change my mind after seeing the different colors, and it'll just be fun. So here we go. So these are the results of what the colors look like on the dry swatch. Now we'll do the wet. Okay, all set. So I wet my fabric, I wet my headband that I've already sewn together, and I'm going to start with the lighter color and then just add in, so yellow, and then just add in the orange and the neon red. Let's see how it looks when I open it up. Oh, so there's a little bit of white, but I think that will just bleed
bleed around. So, all right, so for this one, I'm keeping it dry, and I'm trying one of the techniques that it actually explains in the tie-dye, where you cut out little stencils and you can place them around your fabric. So I'm doing O for organic, L for lines, organic lines, art and design, and then some hearts to go around. So maybe I like arrange it. Oh, you know, I'm gonna put some color down first.
So that was super duper quick and easy, and I love the results already. These have to air dry. Once they air dry, I'll throw them in the dryer to set the color. And after that, they'll be able to be worn. So yay! I highly suggest the SEI tie-dye spray. And I got the neon color palette, but there's other color palettes to check out as well. So thank you for joining me with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I hope you continue to follow me with my art adventures.